Hi, you have messaged us that if you are changing any text on any product page, it is changing. It is getting same text for all products. Like here, if you add demo, this word, then it is going to every pages. Okay, this was the issue. Okay, so to solve this issue, I have just changed the content in the CMS. If you click on the CMS, and here you can see I have created three new fields with the name of product name, and then product type, and then short description. Okay, short description. And if you put any text here, any different text, different text for all the products actually, it will be shown here. Okay, I am going to connect the texts here, this will be product name, this will be product type, and this will be short description. Okay, now here let me show you again in the CMS. Here I have just used the butterfly necklace. This here I have used because of the text, but for the custom name necklace I have used short description only, and other field is left blank actually. So you can shift here. Here you can see if you select anything, then other text is not showing. That means you can use a different text here, it will be shown. Okay, update the text in the CMS, or just select the text field here and click on here, then it will directly show you the content, and you can change that here. It will not affect other product page. Okay, thank you so much.